We have been taking this initiative for past 2.5-3 years, working closely with the communities, with children, with the police department, as well as the media. And we are very thankful to our officer, CM, who had released an advisory notification regarding the sale. So today was an initiative whereby we distributed few of the helmets to the children, giving awareness to the parents, and also reminding them the importance of wearing helmet. We are very thankful to our friends from the media department as well, who have been of constant and great support in this movement. And it is also through their support we have been able to spread this awareness, awareness of importance of wearing helmet. So I request everyone, all the citizens of our city, Pynlong city, let's make our city a child-friendly city. Let's make sure that all our children, while commuting by two-wheelers, wear helmet.
Today we have given the awareness to them, but from tomorrow onward they should wear the helmet. If they are failed, we have to take action according to the media. Our traffic side, we request all the parents to instruct the children to wear helmet for their own safety, because the life is very precious, and if the negligence of the parents, it might be causing harm to their children. So we appeal to all the children, to all the parents, do wear the helmet for their own safety.